Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, Mapping Your Way. Ashi is going to India Gate to see the Republic Day parade with the other children of her school. As the children settle down, they hear something about India Gate on the loudspeaker. To the right of the president is the India Gate. This was built in memory of the Indian soldiers who died in the First World War. There are lots of people sitting on both sides of Rajpath, the main road along which the parade passes. Children are talking about the buildings they can see around them. Sir told us that Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate, so that last building on our right side must be Rashtrapati Bhavan. She is talking with her friends. Look Aditi, this is India Gate. He is saying, look Aditi, what is this? This is a India Gate. Here is a photograph taken from a helicopter. You can see Rajpath. This is Rajpath, the road which joins India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Mark, where on Rajpath will Aditi be? Then, where will Aditi? On Rajpath. This is Rashtrapati Bhavan and this is National Stadium, and where will India Gate over here? Here India Gate will be. Okay children? Match the map and the photo. Have you seen a map of a city? Look at map 1, match it with the photo and find out where India Gate is. Draw it on the map. So we have, here is map 1, we have to draw India Gate. India Gate will be over here. So here we have to draw India Gate. Okay. Some roads are shown in this part of the map. Look for them in the photo. Some roads are over here. Rafi Marg, Janpath, Mansingh Road, Kasturba Gandhi Marg, Tilak Marg, Dr. Zakir Hussain Road. But from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate, there are 3 roads. Rafi Marg, Janpath and Mansingh Road. Name roads that you will cross on your way from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. So, from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate, we will cross Rafi Marg, Janpath and Mansingh Road. Then we will reach to India Gate. So, here we will write Rafi Marg, Janpath and Mansingh Road. Look for the National Stadium in map 1. Can you see it in the photo? Let's see. Here is National Stadium. So in this photo, are you able to see this National Stadium? No, na? So answer will be no. So answer will be no. If we zoom in to look more closely at one part of the map, it looks like this. If we zoom this part of the map, it will look like this. Here is India Gate, National Stadium. Okay, it is a shape of hexagon. It has 6 sides. If we zoom in to look more closely at one part of the map, it look like this. Okay children? So look at the shape of the yellow area. Have you seen this shape before? How many sides does it have? It is a hexagon. And how many sides of a hexagon are? 6 sides. Yes. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Okay. Hexagon, it has 6 sides. This place is called the central hexagon. Find out from the map. No, we have to look at the map and answer these questions. If you are walking on Rajpath, then after India Gate, on which side would Children's Park will be? Let's see on the map. If we come from the Rajpath and reach at India Gate, and which side will be Children's Park? It will be right side. If we coming from here, Rajpath, India Gate, then Children's Park will be right side of India Gate. Okay children? The Children's Park would be on right side when we walk on Rajpath. Which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road, Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road, the angle away from India Gate, Janpath and Rajpath. Let's look the map again. Here Mansingh Road and Ashoka Road. It's making an obtuse angle more than right angle. Janpath and Rajpath is making a right angle. And third one is Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road is making acute angle less than 90-degree angle. So which one is the bigger angle? Angle Mansingh Road and Ashoka Road. Obtuse angle more than 90-degree. So answer will be Mansingh Road and Ashoka Road. So we will take this option. Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road will make the biggest angle between them. This will be your answer. Which of the above pairs of roads cut at right angles? What are those roads which were making right angles? Janpath and Rajpath. So answer will be Janpath and Rajpath. Okay children, let's go ahead. Here is map number 3. We have to look at this map and we have to answer the questions. Here, if we measure the way with scale, then every 2 centimeter will be equal to 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter will be equal to half of kilometer. Half kilometer means 500 meter. Okay children, and 4 centimeter will be equal to 2 kilometer. Let's look at the question answers. While waiting for the parade, Kancha and some of his friends wonder where this parade ends. Kancha is carrying a newspaper in which the route of the parade is written. Vijay Chowk, Rajpath, India Gate, Tilak Marg, B.S. Zafar Marg and Subhash Marg and Red Fort. This is the route from where parade will go. Number 1 question is mark the route. Trace the route of the parade in map 3 and mark India Gate and Rajpath. We have to mapping the route. Mark the route. Vijay Chowk, Rajpath, India Gate, Tilak Marg, B.S. Zafar Marg and Subhash Marg and Red Fort. Okay children. So we will mark these the way of parade, India Gate, and here is Red Fort. Okay children, Vijay Chowk, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vijay Chowk, India Gate, this mark will go, and we will reach Red Fort. Let's see another question. Look at the map carefully and find out which of these is the longest road. B.S. Zafar Marg, Subhash Marg and Tilak Marg. We have to see which of the roads are the biggest. This is Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg. Okay. This is Subhash Marg, smaller than Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg. And this one is Tilak Marg, which is the biggest mark. Okay children. So answer will be Tilak Marg. This one. You will take this route. Tilak Marg road is the longest route. If Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid to join the parade, guess about how far she will have to walk. If she come from Jama Masjid to join the parade, will have to see how much distance is it. It is 1 centimeter. If we measure with scale, 1 centimeter means 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, and 1 centimeter will be half of it. That means half kilometer. Half kilometer will be 500 meter. 500 meter. The total route of the parade is about how long? What is the total route? We will measure the route with the scale. This one from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, 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 here. If we measure this full route, then it will be equal to 16 centimeter. That means 16 centimeter will be 8 kilometer. 2 centimeter will be equal to 1 kilometer. Then 16 centimeter will be half of it. That means 8 kilometer. Answer will be 8 kilometer. As the parade passes by, they see some children coming on an elephant. These children have got bravery rewards. The children which are coming on elephants, they got bravery awards. They also enjoy the colorful dances and aerobics by school children. They want to follow the parade to Red Fort. Gappu has seen Red Fort before and tells them about his trip. Trip to Red Fort. When we reached Red Fort, there was a long queue for tickets. The main entrance is called Lahori Gate. This main entrance is called the Lahori Gate. After entering it, we turned left into a long corridor with little shops on both sides. This is called Meena Bazaar. I bought some lovely bangles from there for my sister. This is map 4. We have to give some questions. We have given some questions. You have to answer those questions after searching the answers in this map number 4. Find out from map which of these is nearer to river Yamuna, the Diwane Am or the Diwane Khas. Here is Yamuna river. And where is Diwane Khas? Here. And where is Diwane Am? Here. Which is nearer to Yamuna river? Diwane Khas. So answer will be Diwane Khas. Between which two buildings is Aramgah? Between which two buildings is Aramgah? Hammam and Rangmahal. In these, Diwane Khas and Rangmahal. So between Diwane Khas and between Rangmahal is Aramgah. Between Diwane Khas and Rangmahal is Aramgah. Which buildings do you pass while going from Rangmahal to the Hammam? We have to pass Aramgah and Diwane Khas when we go from Rangmahal to Hammam. So we will pass through Aramgah and Diwane Khas while going from Rangmahal to Hammam. We will pass through Aramgah and Diwane Khas while going from Rangmahal to the Hammam. Next question. Which building on this map is farthest from Meena Bazaar? Farthest means बहुत दूर, सबसे दूर. Let's see. So from Meena Bazaar, which building is farthest? This one, Hammam. This building is farthest from Meena Bazaar. Okay, children. Answer will be Hammam. About how far is Lahori Gate from Diwane Khas? Lahori Gate Diwane Khas से कितना दूर है? Lahori Gate is here and Diwane Khas is here. If you measure Lahori Gate to Diwane Khas with your scale, this will be 6 centimeter. Or you know 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. So 6 centimeter will be 100 multiplied by 6. That means 600 meter. Lahori Gate is 600 meter far away from Diwane Khas. 1 centimeter will be equal to 100 meter and 6 centimeter will be equal to, we will multiply 100 by 6, 600 meter. 6 times of 100, that means 6 multiplied by 100, 600 meter. Let's go ahead. Make it bigger, make it smaller. Here are some pictures drawn on a 1 centimeter grid. This is 1 centimeter grid. Try making the same pictures on a 2 centimeter grid. This is a 2 centimeter grid and also on a half centimeter grid. One picture is already done. So you have to make this leaf and car in this half centimeter grid also and in this 2 centimeter grid also. The side of the square was made 2 times bigger. Here is 1 centimeter side. Here is 2 centimeter side of 1 square. Okay, children. 2 times bigger, na? Does its area also become 2 times bigger? If अगर एक स्क्वायर की जो साइड है 1 सेंटीमीटर है और यहाँ 2 सेंटीमीटर है, डबल हो गया. अबे बताना है कि एरिया will also become 2 times bigger. Let's see. Area of a square with side 1 centimeter will be side multiplied by side 1 multiplied by 1 centimeter square. Area of a square with side 2 centimeter will be equal to 2 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter, that means 4 centimeter square. So when the side of a square becomes 2 times, that means 1 multiplied by 2, 2 times bigger, then its area becomes 4 times bigger than the original area. 1 multiplied by 4, that means अगर उसकी साइड 2 टाइम्स बिगर होती है, डबल होती है, तो उसका एरिया 4 टाइम्स बिगर होता है ओरिजिनल एरिया से. Okay children, you have to do all these questions in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video. Okay children, bye bye.